In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find, access, and edit your LinkedIn profile URL. Of course, you need to know where to find this so that you can edit it and make sure that it's custom to you, but also so that you can include your LinkedIn profile URL on things like your resume, business card, email, etc. Let's get straight to it. So I'm inside of my LinkedIn profile. I want to go to the top right-hand corner where it says me, click that, and I want you to view your profile. So I'm going to show you a few ways that you can easily access this as well as how to edit. So once I'm in my profile, this URL at the top, when I am directly inside of my profile, that is my LinkedIn profile URL. So I can easily copy this. You can see mine, linkedin.com/in/Cindy M. Dodd. That is my profile URL. Connect with me. I can simply copy and paste this, and that is good. I want to show you a few other ways to access your profile URL. So LinkedIn just recently rolled this out where you can see in the right-hand corner of your profile, public profile and URL. And you can see it is the exact same URL as the one I just showed you. You know it's a LinkedIn URL when it has the IN / and then the rest of the name at the end. Now let's talk about how to customize this. I always recommend that you have a clean custom URL here. LinkedIn does allow you to edit this. So let's go into how to edit this really quickly. So you're going to click the pencil button where it says public profile and URL. In the right-hand corner again, edit your custom URL, click that pencil, and then I can easily edit this to whatever I want to put there. First and last name always works great. If that is already taken and you can't use it, say Cindy Dodd, if I save this, it says that URL is not available. So you want to make sure that the URL you use is available. You can use a middle initial, you can use a period, that all works. It doesn't want any special characters, so keep that in mind when creating yours. And then I just want to make sure that that is saved. When you go back to your profile, you will then see your updated public profile and URL. That is how you simply and easily access your LinkedIn profile URL. The same is true on the mobile app or mobile version. Just go to your profile and you can copy it from there where it says public profile and URL. Also watch this video next where I show you how to access your LinkedIn QR code on the go. So if you have the LinkedIn mobile app and you are connecting with people in person, you can easily scan their QR code or show them yours to easily connect with other people on LinkedIn. So watch that video right after this one. My name is Cindy Dodd. For more quick and easy LinkedIn tutorials like this one, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I post weekly videos to help you level up on LinkedIn. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.